Family fans, guess what?
The new season is almost here, and today, I'm showing you how to sound just like
Anya Forger with a real-time Anya Voice Changer. Papa will be so surprised. If you love Anya's cute and chaotic energy, you're going to love this.
we're using the best AI anime voice changer to turn my voice into Anya in real time. Step 1, download Ease Us Voice Wave via the link in the description. Perfect for Discord, Roblox, or just trolling your friends. Step 2, select the Anya Forger AI voice effect. Step 3, connect your mic, hit enable, and then
You're now the cutest telepath in the room. Let's try this out in Discord first. Mission a friend trolling start. Anya can hear all your secrets. Spy mission success. Now Roblox. Give me peanuts or I won't carry you in the game. Papa says no playing games late, but Anya wants to play more. Subscribe or Papa gets mad. Hit like, subscribe, and check the link below to get Isa's voice wave today. See you guys in season 3.